Hey, what it do, y'all? I'm trying to turn this camera around real quick. What it do, y'all? It's me. It's your boy, Young Blac Kake. But my YouTube channel name is, I don't know. Alright, so yeah, this is just the first video. I'm not gonna be doing too much. I'm just trying to kind of introduce myself on. Oh, I gotta change my socks out, man. I had some pink shoes on, and like they turned my socks kind of pink, so I'm change the socks out too. So. All right. All right. Yeah. Pretty much. Man, work was work. Oh my goodness. Anyways. He came out and yeah, he seen me in my car. He like, hold on, let me get my ass back in the house. But anyways, I pretty much put this screen in here. This is a 2015 Dodge Challenger Shaker. It's not the top of the line, but it is a nice car. It sounds pretty good. You know what I'm saying? It moved pretty quick for me, so I'm not really tripping on that. I purchased the car with 900 miles on it, so not the, I mean, for some people that's low, and I literally mean 900 miles. I got the car off of Carvana, and I just couldn't believe how low the car was. We in 2022, so I couldn't believe the car was super low in miles, and it was a 2015, so I just felt like I had to have it. I'm gonna show y'all a little bit of it too. Really on color start, but I really wasn't in a position in this position how I'm in now, so I didn't have a garage. This is like my first garage ever, you know what I mean? So bear with me. Oh yeah, and as you can see, this that's like one of my first some people say that's not a mod, but that's my first mod right there. Is my tent. My second mod was this radio right here, so that was my second mod right there. And then I did a mid muffler delete, and that's pretty much my mods. Oh, and the lower. So let's go take a look at the back here. I'm gonna do another color start. I already did one earlier. I gotta get rid of this right here because it's like I'm giving free advertisement. So I gotta find out who can pretty much take that off my car for me. Get out color start. So yeah, we got two 45s in the front, we got two 75s in the back. You dig? Riding around, you know what I'm saying? I love it here, some people don't. Milwaukee, you know what I'm saying? My little city, man. We coming up, and you know what I'm saying? Like, I feel like we made some major updates to the city, and like, man, I love it here. Like, I stayed in Florida for 5 years, and you know what I'm saying? I like Florida and stuff like that, and like my little dude down there, but I just was like, you know, it's just something about home, especially when you ain't got like no issues with nobody. It's just a different feeling about home that make you want to get home and make you want to be here. Yeah, I'm holding my GoPro in my hand, so y'all gotta excuse me. Let me show y'all some of the road. I gotta clean my car too, so. But yeah, like I was saying, like with me moving back home from Tampa, Florida to Milwaukee, it was, you know what I'm saying, it just was one of those decisions that I had to make myself, you dig, and you know what I'm saying, I felt like it was the right time to come back home. I was down there for 5 years, but you know, with everything going up, it was probably the best time, like I feel like the best decision I made to kind of get out of there. So y'all see my, you know what I'm saying, my radio worked. You dig? And then I put this steering wheel on there too. You know what I'm saying? Cause it's Mopar, baby. This shit nice.
Yeah, and I'm trying to, I'm trying to make that. I got an invention for the course. Remember I told my boy?
Right. Oh, yeah,
You know,
yeah.
we
Yes,
got
sir.
the app. We got the app where everybody's linking
pulling up. Man, yes, sir. Yeah, we going, oh, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm out here.
The app for the hoopers. You know what course practice.
Let me see. Matter of fact, I'm gonna pull down this. Yeah, I got this GoPro. This motherfucking nice though, dog. I just,
my boy, get some content, get some food content, some ASMR. You know what I'm saying? How that motherfucker close.
Now that's one thing too, is when I get this shit popping, and you know what I'm saying, we got a little, you know what I'm saying, some followers, some subscribers. I'm gonna start, you know what I'm saying, try to get some real good content, you know, like supporting some restaurants.
Hell yeah, shit, y'all go check out such and such.
Right.
Man, we blessed, man.
We always been smooth people though. It's funny that now we working with them. It's like, damn, I should have been working with people on the low.
Yeah, cause they tell so many stories, like they this and they that. Yeah, they years for bad stuff.
Right.
Yeah, I appreciate my boy. My boy said, hey, go get in there, man. Went on, got in there. Man.
Yeah, cause I ain't gonna, your boy ain't finna tell my boy not to, you know what I'm saying? That's another outlet to some cash. I gotta coach my boy on getting in there. I'm sorry. Okay, hit me, dog. I ain't doing too much at night, man. I'm out here with this Challenger trying to get some content, man. So.
Yeah. Hey, I'm gonna get with my boy too.
Man, hey, get the GoPro, dog, and hey, I was even thinking like, I don't know. I think I might have to get like one more YouTube channel or something, so I can just one more YouTube channel, so I can.
I ain't gonna lie. There's somebody. They instead of doing multiple channels is good.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I'm glad my boy said that, cause I had some videos. They got like 2,000 views, man, and I was finna get rid of them, but like. This where the motivation at. You know what I'm saying? Oh man.
Yeah.
Somebody out here in the Camaro, dog. I gotta show all, I gotta get all my little content. Oh man, dog. Yeah, I love doing that. That's one thing I love doing. Like, let me pull up here on him real quick. Yeah.
He took his spoiler up. That motherfucker look good. Spoiler up.
Oh yeah. I don't know.
What you say? I got a little noise too. I can make a little bit of it. Come on, man.
I was hoping I didn't have to charge it up too much. Yeah, I'm gonna have to charge my camera for y'all, but welcome to the channel, man. I'm gonna try to bring y'all like a lot of content, different content, some intellectual type shit. Like I gotta put my seatbelt on, but I'm gonna try to bring y'all like just some different type of things, man. You know what I'm saying? For y'all, if y'all could like and subscribe to my channel, that'd be nice. Oh yeah, that's how I look at the back. I might do a video for y'all showing the back of the Lover, cause some people think you can't see, so I might show the back of it one day. Damn. Y'all know I had to give y'all a little something in this motherfucker. I feel like that's the next wave, wide body cars, man. If y'all don't come out with no wide body EV, I don't want it. We got a couple days of this good, I ain't gonna say good weather, because some people think it's cold already. I feel like up north, 60-degree weather is perfect for some reason. To me, I feel like I try to do, which is crazy. I try to do like this before. I was always into entertaining people, and yeah, I got ash on my shirt. I think it's ash. I got a lot of inspiration from a few people that I kind of can relate to in their videos. That's where we going. I think I'm gonna put different rims on here. I don't know if I want to do Forgiatos or if I want to do something else, but that seems like that's the big, like that's what people into. I gotta open my garage on y'all. like and subscribe to this channel, and I'm gonna keep bringing good content. So once I see a good amount of subscribers, I'm opening up the comment section, and I want y'all to let me know where y'all from, like what y'all like about the channel. But I gotta bring good content for y'all first, though. Y'all hit me up, man. Y'all like and subscribe to this channel, man. We a family, and we gonna keep this thing rocking.